Hey guys, I'd like to just share with you this PDF file that I created for you guys. So this is in relation to negotiating with your clients. Once you have initially talked to them over the phone or via Zoom, the one thing that you can do to make you stand out as a freelancer, remember that we are doing all the things that we can do in order for us to stand out from our competition. You can send them this freelance to freedom quotation proposal for clients. So here's how it goes. So you already talked to them and you have discussed the budget, right? For example, it's a milestone or hourly rate, it doesn't matter. What you will do is download this on this masterclass and then create your own like this. So ano ba to? So you're gonna put your name, the date that you did this, and then your project or title depending on the job description that they sent on Upwork. Let's say for example, this one Facebook Ads Campaign Manager, and then copy mo yung job description na sinabi niya doon, or make your own, parang a summary of what you have talked about, and then you will write the scope of responsibilities. Remember, we talked on a different video that sometimes there are clients that go over like more than the job description of the freelancer. That's why nagkakaroon ng away or gap. So upfront pa lang, you mentioned to the client that I'd like to really do this, and this is an important form because for us to be both protected, that I will make sure to do the job based on the expectation and the job responsibilities that you have assigned to me, and likewise the client will not be abusing you as a freelancer, like oh gawin mo to, oh gawin mo to, which is not like beyond your job description already, right? So you put the scope of responsibilities here. Once the client agrees to this and you go through the next level, and if they ask for additional tasks from you, show them this, that they have agreed to these responsibilities that are posted here, just to let them remember or remind them that hey, that's not part of my job. Okay, you say that in a very polite way para hindi naman ma-pissed off din si client. So then you put your freelancer expectation here. Ano yung mga expected mo? So for example, this one, my scope of responsibility is I will just handle the campaign, hindi ako ang gagawa ng creatives. Ibig sabihin yung image, yung videos, yung texts for the client. So this must be ready na before we begin the contract, kasi baka mamaya bigla niya akong hanapan ng image or videos, 'di ba? Hindi ko trabaho 'yon. Something like that. All right? And then the time frame that you already talked about. In this example, I am doing a milestone of 1,500. So this is the first milestone. This is a fixed rate project that would be about $5,000. So the first milestone is I'm gonna quote for 1,500, and then these are the things that I will be doing for week one. So the client will read this, and then the next step is you will be talking again via Zoom after the initial 7-day period. Now, so the client will read this. Okay, okay, okay. Remember, you will stand out from this because not all freelancers are doing this extra effort for their clients. So you have an edge, okay? And then put here that feel free to contact me should you wish to revise this quotation. So bigay mo lang sa kanila to after nung pag-uusap nyo. The goal here is to stand out. The goal here is that they remember you among the rest of the people that they have interviewed. Okay, does it make sense? Now just send this to them and then follow up with them within 24 hours. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I'll see you on the next.